Hey guys, so I'm wearing the same thing I was wearing in last video, and that's because I just filmed the pack with me video, and now I'm actually going to put all of this stuff in the suitcase, and we're gonna do a little travel day vlog. I figured that would be fun to kind of show you guys what our road trip to Disney looks and feels like. We currently live in Atlanta, Georgia, so it normally takes us about 8 hours to get down to Disney, including stops, gas station, food, you know, pee breaks, whatever it is. It normally takes us about 7 to 8 hours to get down there. So first, I am going to start by packing up all this stuff. Oh, I'm so afraid all that's gonna fall. Because as you can see, the couch is now filled with all of the stuff that we're taking with us. So I am going to work on packing all of this up. Universal first and then Disney later, I'm basically dividing up all of our clothes into what we only need for Disney. So I'm putting all of our Disney clothes into this bag so that we can just add this to our load once we get to Disney, since we're staying in 2 different hotels, so that I don't have to waste room in my regular suitcase for stuff that we won't need until like halfway through the trip. So I'm putting all of our Disney clothes in here. You guys, I just freaking broke it. I don't know if you can see, I freaking ripped the clip thing. So that sucks. Little update. It's been a long time since you last saw me. So, I was about to say long story short, but this is not going to be long story short. Little story time moment for you. As you can see, if you know my car, we are not in my car. So, that's what happened. Basically, a little while ago, Brent and I started hearing some thumping in my car, sounding like the tire was like hitting something. Sorry, I'm eating Zaxby's. I know I'm burping. It's so gross. And so he took it in this weekend to see what was going on, and then we were supposed to bring it back in on Monday, but because of some work stuff, I had to go into the office on Monday and Tuesday, so I wasn't able to take the car back in until Wednesday. And so I take it in on Wednesday, like mid-afternoon, and I leave it there overnight, and they text me around 4-ish today that my car's ready. So I go to pick it up, not thinking I'm gonna be there long, I'm just gonna pick it up and leave, right? So my phone, you'll see where this is going, is on like 7% or 8% or whatever it was. So I get there, I pull out of like the parking space. Oh, and I have boxes with me because I need to ship boxes. That'll be important later. So I pull out of the parking space and I drive, I'm not kidding you, 10, maybe 15 feet, and I hear this scraping noise, like something is dragging on the ground underneath my car. So I just hop out real quick and look underneath the car, and nothing is under there, like scraping. So I just park it back and take it back inside, and I'm like, hey, I'm hearing like a loud scraping noise. And she's like, oh, weird, he test drove it, but okay, well, we'll take a look, obviously. So she takes my car back inside, and you know, they load it back up, they look, all this good stuff. About 30 or 45 minutes go by, and they think they found the issue, but he has to go like to the auto parts store to go grab like a thing that he needs. Another 30-ish minutes comes by, and he comes in and talks to the manager, like the mechanic talks to like the store manager for a few minutes, and he goes back outside. They close at 6 p.m. It's like 6:05 p.m. I'm sitting there. My phone has died. I don't have a way to get home if I don't have my car. I don't have a way to drive to Florida tonight if I don't have my car. And he comes in and he's like, you're not gonna like the news I have for you. And I'm like putting on a brave face like, okay, like, because I'm a very agreeable person. Even if I'm pissed off, like, I'm not gonna be rude to you about it, especially if you're a stranger. I just can't do that. And I could tell that he was like very apologetic. He knew that I was going on a vacation. Like, he was trying to get my car done for me super quick yesterday and today, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, like, he was being really, really nice. He was like, and I'm not a car person, so I'm gonna get this wrong, but something to do with like my back, I don't know, you guys. Honestly, I'm not even gonna try and explain it because I'm gonna get it wrong. But basically, he's gonna have to like completely take apart, like, I guess my wheel or something again, because he thinks he found the root of the issue. He said it was good because even though it sucks, I have to keep the car. He's like, I think this same thing would have happened again over time because of this other issue. And I was like, okay. We're back at home. So what was I saying? Oh, but what I am freaking out about the fact is that I can't tell Brendan where I am. I haven't been able to text him in like an hour. I can't call an Uber because my phone's dead, blah, blah, blah. Luckily, the store manager is a woman, because you girls know I would not be comfortable like randomly hopping into another guy's car. She's like, where do you live? I can take you home. And I'm like, I live literally right behind here. It's like less than a mile. And she was so nice. Like, she was so nice. Dropped me off at home. I walk into the front door and I see Brendan and I just start bawling because I'm like, after everything I've done this week to prep for this trip, get my work done, like all this stuff, like I've been stressed all week trying to get everything buttoned up so that I could leave and enjoy a vacation. For this ish to happen, I was like, are you kidding me? So, I call my mom because I feel like she can fix anything. Brendan's looking up car rental, options and stuff. And, she's like, I'm probably gonna come in and pee again real quick, to be honest, but go upstairs and grab your computer and grab the cooler, and I'll be in just like 2 seconds. And she's like, listen, we have Nana's car, because if you guys didn't know, my Nana passed away recently, and so we have her car. And so she's like, grab all your stuff, pack up, get an Uber to the house. My parents live like 30 minutes from me, and I'll leave Nana's key on the counter for you, because my mom and dad had to go to like another event elsewhere, so they couldn't come get us or anything. And so we take an Uber, the 30 minutes to my parents' house, get Nana's key, get in Nana's car. And like, it was one of those things where I was having a moment where I was like, I feel like Nana was like, hold up, don't get on the road, don't get in your car, something's gonna happen, and was like watching out for me. Like, I don't know, I just really feel like she was like protecting me in some way. Because I'm a big believer that everything happens for a reason, everything happens as it should, and even if it sucks in the moment and like you feel like it's ruining your plans, it's okay, like it was meant to be that way. So anyways, we're back at home now because Brendan forgot his laptop and he has to work in the morning, and this was on the way back from my parents to Orlando anyways. So we're stopping at our place to grab a couple things that we realized we forgot in like the rush and hustle and bustle of trying to get out the door. So yeah, but we are finally on the road to Florida. It is about 8 p.m., which means we probably won't get in until about 3 a.m., depending on how many stops we have to make. So it's been a day. If you were hoping for an exciting travel vlog, even though this is just basically a story time, you got it. All right, I'm going to go in and pee and take some of this trash inside, and then we're going to finally get on the road and go to Disney. Well, Universal first, but Disney. Okay, bye. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. We are in much brighter spirits. I didn't end up vlogging really anymore last night because we got in at literally 3:30 a.m. Love that for us. We are staying at the Rosen Inn International for just a couple of days. We wanted to save some money and stay a little bit of a cheaper hotel for a few days because we're spending the rest of our time when we're at Disney over at Coronado Springs. So it's definitely like, you know, not the nicest hotel in the world, quite outdated, but that's kind of what we expected. Sorry, it's already a mess. We've like exploded, which we need to clean up because Shelby's gonna be here later today. It's got 2 beds, it's got TV, plenty of storage, a whole wardrobe, a Brendan if you ask for it, but that's by special request. Does have a microwave, which is very nice, and a pretty large mini fridge. I really like the size of it. It's not like one of those super tiny mini fridges, so you can actually fit like a decent amount in there, which is nice. And then there's like a toilet and shower. So I figured what I would do is, because we are going to the Orlando Informer event tonight, what I'm gonna do is film the first half of this day on this vlog, kind of our travel day vlog, and then do the second half of our day over at Orlando Informer on the other vlog. So we are about to head out to Disney Springs. I'm just wearing like a Loki t-shirt and leggings and some tennis shoes. I'm not even putting on makeup or really even doing my hair. We're just gonna go do a little bit of Christmas shopping around Disney Springs and just kind of relax. We're both really super tired still, to be honest, but so we're gonna kill some time there, do some Christmas shopping, probably stop and get some lunch. I'm gonna knock out. I know you're doing it on purpose.
I have to what?
And then we're probably gonna stop and get some lunch, and I'm gonna do some work while we grab lunch because I do have a few things that I need to take care of. And then come back here and probably chill for a little bit, rest up before the event tonight because it starts in the evening and goes super late at night. So we want to be well rested and be able to enjoy ourselves at that. Do you guys see what I live with? I literally live with him. I see him every day. Every day.
And you love it.
I don't know if love is the right word. Okay, I'll see you in a second. Guys, look how cute this little like projection is. I don't know what hotel that is, but look how cute. It's got like Disney 50th stuff. It's got Figment and Minnie and the castle and Goofy. It's so cute.
wolves.
What?
We're getting some baby wolves. And we got some wiener dogs. I got a plain one because I can't eat anything. And then we got the 3 little dogs.
This is like a sampling of 3 of their like most popular ones. It's like the Hawaiian, the chili, and the Reuben, I think.
Yeah.
So
Those look so good, dude. Got the Reuben here.
I'm gonna try the Reuben. I already tried the Island one and it's really, really good. I'm gonna try the Reuben next. They're really like
It's not a
messy.
Some ASMR in there.
It's messy, but it's really good. It's a little spicy, but barely. Alright, give us a taste test.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Give us a taste test, baby.
Taste test. Tropical, what was it? Tropical mix. Better be good. Wow. This one looks sus, not gonna lie.
Good?
Very good.
I'm pretty sure these are just standard gummy worms. They're very soft.
Wait, it's not protein. Okay, now it's, oh god.
They're good. They're sour. Just like I like. Decided to get matching phone cases, as you saw when we were in D-Tech earlier. So, Brendan got, it is a little like Thor.
Daddy.
And I got Mighty Thor.
Mommy. Put him right here.
Hey guys, so we've just been strolling around for a little while now and we are hanging out outside of House of Blues because we've got a reservation at 2:30 and my friend Shelby's gonna meet us and it is currently 2 o'clock. So we're just gonna chill here for a little bit, get off our feet and wait for her to come and then go to our reservation.
We all look.
Look at that building!
Isn't it so cute?
So fun!
It reminds me of the Epcot ball. It's all lit up.
videoed it earlier.